The hex screw pile is a cast in situ displacement pile, so hardly any soil comes to the surface. The hex screw pile can be made with group injection or as a combi tube pile without grout injection. In that case, the steel casing remains in the ground. The steel casing, which has a separate screw point, is screwed into the ground with minimum vibration, so disruption from noise is limited. Hex screw piles can be produced in great lengths. This pile system is suitable for projects requiring high load-bearing capacity and can take both relatively high compressive and tensile loads. Hex screw piles are used in built-up areas or in places where soil must not come to the surface and vibrations must be created to a minimum. This may be to prevent damage to adjacent land or buildings. Hex screw piles are also used in the infrastructure and energy sectors, for instance for wind turbines. A screw point is attached to the bottom of the auxiliary tube. The tube is then positioned on the pile position marker. During the drilling process, a grout mixture is injected through the inner tube and transported to the screw point, where this comes out under high pressure. Grout injection is used where this is required construction-wise or where this is necessary in terms of the soil structure. Once the auxiliary tube has reached the desired depth, the reinforcement and concrete are poured into the tube from above. The auxiliary tube is then removed from the soil with an oscillating motion that leaves the screw point in the ground. The pile head is made up to the working level. Depending on the standard of the building pit, a range of diameters can be finished to the required height. Hex screw piles can be acoustically tested to monitor compliance with standards. Hex screw piles can also be filled with a precast concrete core. In that case, we call them hex combi screw piles.